Hello travelers, I'm Kimmy.
And I'm Carrie, and we're here in Fort Lauderdale.
Let's go. Alright, so we are at Fort Lauderdale now, and we are getting ready to board the Disney Magic. But first, because we had a 12-hour drive, we are staying here at the Holiday Inn Express. We are about 10-15 minutes away from the port. And right across the way we have a McDonald's, and there is a Subway. There's also a Big Lots and a Dollar Tree that we could see from our window up in our room, and we'll show you guys that in a second. We're just kind of showing you the outside here, and we're very close to the airport as well.
And we just wanted to show you guys a quick room tour in case you guys are looking for Fort Lauderdale now that Disney has a home port here. And this is our first time coming out of Fort Lauderdale. We've been to Miami before and Port Canaveral, but we've been looking for hotels in Fort Lauderdale, so we're going to show you guys our room just in case you want to stay here or you're trying to find a hotel for yourself when you're going on your cruise here at Port Everglades. It's close to the airport. It's like 10-15 minutes from the port, and it's like the exit right after the airport, so it should be easy to get to if you are looking for a hotel. And this hotel also includes breakfast from 6:30 to 10 o'clock, right?
Yep.
9:30 or something. But
Yeah.
anyways, it includes breakfast for free, so that's all that matters.
Yes.
And everyone's coming now. So let's go take you inside so you can see the room. Let's go.
And it's next to the Candlewood.
Yes, and they kind of share a parking lot, so just make sure you're parked on the correct side.
Yes, because they do have little signs that say which side to park on.
Alright, so this is the entrance here. Let me show you guys the sign. So, let me zoom in. Hold on. Alright, so there's the sign. Holiday Inn Express and Suites, and we're next to the Candlewood Suites if you're trying to find it. Okay, so we're entering the hotel right now, and this is the little waiting area by the check-in, and they do have computers and a printer. And there's the check-in, and then we've got, this is where they have breakfast if you need it. So they have free breakfast right here in the mornings, and then the elevators are down here, and we'll take you up to our room. And this is our room, 504. Okay, so we have made it to Fort Lauderdale, and we're going to give you a little room tour of our hotel here before we head to the port in the morning. So this is the entryway here. When you walk in, there's a nice full-length mirror, little table right there with some plugs. We've got a microwave, an ice bucket, coffee maker, and a refrigerator right there. And right next to the entrance here we have our bathroom. We've got a sink, hair dryer, toilet paper, towels, trash can, a nice lighted mirror. We have Dove products that they give you or provide you, and we've got towels. There's the toilet, and then over here we have the shower, hooks on the back of the door, hooks on the side. We have more Dove products for your shower. Here's the shower. Got a tub and shelves right there. Okay, coming out of the bathroom, here is the bedroom area with 2 queen beds. There is no storage underneath the beds, but there is storage underneath this bench area. So let me back up so you can see. We've got the wardrobe right here, hooks, TV, a desk, 3 drawers right there, a bench, and then you can put your suitcases under there. Let me show you the wardrobe. There's an ironing board, hangers, and a safe right there. So there's a plug next to the wardrobe, there's plugs there. Then you've got plugs over here by the bed. There's a shelf right there. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, there it is. There's the shelf, phone, alarm clock, lights, plugs. Again, no storage under the beds. Here are the drawers, nice deep drawers if you need them. They also have AC and the heating system right here that you can control. Over here we have a nice lamp, little chair, and a table over on this side of the bed. And this is our view. We're on the 5th floor. You can see McDonald's right there. We've got the Hampton Inn over here. We've got Big Lots, and there's a Subway over there, Dollar Tree, and that way is the port. So yeah, we just want to do this quick little video just in case you're looking for a hotel before you have to leave for a cruise. And I'll back up in the corner so you can see the whole room.
Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye travelers!